Megan Batoon, and today I'm gonna show you how to get this long-wearing makeup look complete with a bold eye. I'm a dancer, and I like this look because it still has a natural finish, which is what I normally gravitate towards, but the bold eye really makes a statement on stage or on camera. The products I'll be using in today's video are from the ColorStay collection, which is long-wearing. The foundation lasts for up to 24 hours, and look how natural my skin looks. So you can rely on this makeup to last you all day. Enough talking, let's get into it. To begin, I'm using ColorStay makeup in Fresh Beige 250. I have pretty dry skin, so I'm using the normal dry formula. It does also come in combo oily because everyone's included here. I, however, have very dry skin. It lasts for up to 24 hours, which is perfect for my lifestyle because I don't have enough time to keep touching it up throughout the day. It's life-proof. Okay, so I only need a little bit because a little goes a long way. This is probably good. I'm just dabbing a little bit on my middle fingers and I'm just going to put it all over. No part of the face left unturned. I'm gonna go in with this blending brush and smooth it all out. What's good about this is that it's a medium to full coverage, so you can choose how much you want on. Like I said, a little bit goes a long way, so I'm gonna start with the minimum amount, but if you need more, put more on. Oh look, a little bit got me. Next, I'm gonna go in with ColorStay concealer in the shade medium. I like to add concealer because it just brightens up your face a little bit and makes you look awake. So what I like to do is add a little triangle from the inner corner of my eye and just going outwards towards my ears. Why? I don't know. It just works for me. And someone probably told me to do it once, and I said, they know what they're talking about. I'm also gonna go down the bridge of my nose, right in between my eyebrows, right underneath my chin. And as a woman, our hormones make us have red around our nose, so I'm also just gonna do my best to look put together. I'm gonna use this little squishy sponge to blend it all out. Is this called something? I'm gonna use this thing and brush on my face. I really like this because it has two sides to it. There's an angular side to get inside these tiny little creases of the face. It also has a bigger side to where if you have a bigger face. It also has a bigger side to blend larger areas of your face. We're getting all the shapes in here. Watch out, geometry class. This blending sponge is coming for you. Perfect! To set the foundation and concealer, I'm going in with the ColorStay Pressed Powder in Light. This just makes sure that the makeup stays set throughout the day. The powder is super great because it controls shine, which is really important as a performer. My favorite way to create a bolder look is to add a smoky shadow and liner. So that's what we're gonna do. Smoky shadow! Blah, blah, blah. For the eyes, I'm using ColorStay 16-Hour Eyeshadow in Adventurous. So the first color I'm gonna use is this lightest color. I'm just gonna brush this all over my lid. And I'm gonna use the Revlon All Over Shadow Brush to apply it. I'm gonna concentrate mostly on the inner corner because I'm gonna create a lot of dimension with the other colors in here. Next, I'm taking the Revlon Crease Shadow Brush and I'm going to add the two darkest shades and put it on the outer corner of my eye. This is gonna give the eye a lot of dimension. I like to start with a little bit and you can build up because you can't go backwards. Keep blending until you're happy. If you're not happy, keep blending. I like to get in the crease with circular motions and just keep on blending until it's blended. Of course. What I like about it is that it's a 16-hour eyeshadow so that it won't fade away. If you can't trust your eyeshadow, what can you trust? Oh my god, issues. If you thought we were done with the eyes, don't be sad. I have one more step, and that is using the Revlon ColorStay Cream Eyeshadow in Praline 730 to add a little bit of shimmer to make the eyes really pop. I really like this because it comes with a little baby brush right in the lid so that I would never lose it, because I would lose it if it wasn't there. Thank you. Always thinking ahead for me. So I like to sweep this all over the lid. Now to really amp up the eye, I'm going to use ColorStay's Skinny Liquid Liner in Blackout, and I'm going to wing out the eye. Before we apply, everyone just take a quick breath. Relax. Relax, you got this. I like to start in the center of the eye and stay as close to the lash line as possible. One down. No one freak out. We got little baby wings. I like that it glides on smoothly and the applicator is really precise. Okay, slow and steady wins the face. That's what's going on here. Now I'm quickly gonna finish off the face with some mascara and blush. And I'm gonna finish off with the lips using the ColorStay Overtime Lip Color in Bare Maximum, which is cute because you would think it would be Bare Minimum. No, 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 Bare Maximum. It's a long-wearing lip color that stays on, and the cool part about it is that there's two sides to it. We have our color, and then we have a top coat that locks in the moisture. Double the cool! So you want to wait about a minute to let the color dry before you go in with the top coat. And you're done! And this is our finished look. I like it a lot because it stands the test of time. Jeez Louise, how long am I living for? As you can see, it's still pretty natural, but the eye draws you in. It's a focal point, as your eyes are. You got two focal points on your face. This works really great for me for when I'm filming or performing, and best of all, it's long wearing, so I can focus on things other than if my makeup's gonna stay on my face. So give it a try. To learn more about the products used in today's video, head to Revlon.com and be sure to subscribe to their YouTube channel to make sure you don't miss any of the content that we made together. It's really good, if I do say so myself. Thanks for watching. Bye!